Welcome to a new video from How to Windows. This video is about how to create a new partition in an SSD in Windows without formatting. To do that you have to log into your computer by your admin account. Then right-click the Start button and go to Disk Management. Next I get some free space out from my partition D. Right-click the partition and go to Shrink Volume. Then you have to give the amount of megabytes that you want to get out. I'm going to create a partition of 150 gigabytes. It's 153,600 megabytes. I type it here and click Shrink. Now you can see the size of the partition D has been reduced. Now click on this unallocated space of 150 GB and click New Simple Volume. Click Next. Give a partition letter as you prefer. I use E. And give a name for the partition if you want. And click Finish. Okay, our partition is created. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. Thank you for watching.